So let us move to the next section of the next class, which is past tense. Again, same yesterday as we have discussed, 4 sections in the past tense. And before we get into the details, I want you to just revise what is the difference between present and past. Present चल रहा है टाइम, पास्ट बीत चुका है टाइम. सेंटेंसेस में स्ट्रक्चर में कैसे डिफरेंस आप देखते हो? इज एम आर प्रेजेंट, वाज वर पास्ट. Right? Now let us go into the past indefinite tense, the first section, right? So what kind of sentences are written in past indefinite sentences? Past indefinite sentence will be something like this. He wrote a letter. He wrote a letter. Verb ki second form, that means past tense. So it will change into a letter was written by him. A letter was written by him. So formula कैसा हो जाएगा? Object plus was were plus V3 plus by plus subject. A letter क्योंकि एक है, was right, written third form हो गई, by he का him हो गया. That is the subject change into. This is how it will change. A letter was written by him. He wrote a letter. Simple sentence, active voice. A letter was written by him. That is passive voice. This is simple about past indefinite tense. Now going to the next section of the past tense, that is called past continuous. Right? अब इसका सेंटेंस कैसा होता है? इसका सेंटेंस आप जनरली ऐसे सेंटेंसेस बनाते हो. He was writing a letter. Right? was वर्ड लगा के ing वाला होता है. सो हमारा सेंटेंस पैसिव में कैसे बन जाएगा? A letter was being written by him. फॉर्मूला क्या हो जाएगा? ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस was वर्ड प्लस bing, being जिसको कहते हैं, प्लस by प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. It's as simple as that. So once again, he was playing cricket. He was playing cricket. Cricket was being played by him. So now let us go to the third section, which is past perfect tense. और उसके sentences कैसे होते हैं? He had played cricket. Had perfect के लिए, past के लिए, played third form के लिए. He had played cricket. तो ये passive में कैसे बनेगा? Cricket had been played by him. She had completed her work. ये आपका सिंपल एक्टिव वॉइस में सेंटेंस होगा. शी हैड कंप्लीटेड हर वर्क. पैसिव में कैसा हो जाएगा? वर्क हैड बीन कंप्लीटेड बाय हर. वर्क हैड बीन कंप्लीटेड बाय हर. सो these type of sentences are going to be there in the exams, but here is an examination tip. Generally, you will get sentences out of either indefinite or perfect. Very rarely you will get sentences from the continuous form. With that, we are moving on to the next section after the next tomorrow's class, that is modals and future tense. I'm sure you must be getting clarity. In case you have any questions, don't forget to ask me. With love, Mangat ma'am.